These are the two sides of a tornado. It's the dark part, and there's the light part. And this is the wall. It's that window. That window. Yeah, I felt like an idiot last time I was down here in the basement, but they really, I don't know, this time it was a couple of warnings. Thought I looked kind of decent today, I don't know. But this is me, yeah. And it's a basement. And I'm not sure how long I'm supposed to wait. I don't hear those big, like, those things that sound like big footsteps coming though, like boom, boom, when things, you know, a little further away are being destroyed. But, yeah. Yeah, there's some interesting sky. It's not that weird neon green color, but it's still weird. Again, it's around 4:30. It's not getting dark yet. That's just the way it looks. Pearl Earth, planet Earth. And it's okay. See, it's boring in the basement. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do down here. Or do I? Huh? Yeah. Okay, things are starting to get a little windy there. I'm gonna back away from the window like they say, and probably everyone else that lives here is so used to this they don't follow it. I don't know, but I do. Bye for now. I just wanted to show the two sides of the tornado thing. But yeah, it's like a severe warning 2 times, so it's a real one somewhere. I hope everyone's okay. Here's the noises. Oh shit, okay.